band radar was completely forgotten, and it made its way down South America and made its way up next to the HAARP facility, which brings us to the second part of the chemtrail program, which is aluminum. And, of course, what do you do when you want to enhance your reception on your television back in the old bunny ear days, but to put tinfoil onto your antennas, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So now we're breathing in all this aluminum, and therefore you are now a perfect antenna for these radio frequency waves coming from the HAARP facility.
Everyone walking around pretty much is going to be becoming like an antenna here pretty soon.
Exactly.
Oh, God.
And so that's why people haven't been able to figure out what the chemtrail program was for. Now you know. It's to track and manipulate you.
Freeman, I just want to mention some kind of a small little trivia to the side here. I was looking just quickly at Apophis. They call it 99942 Apophis. That's interesting because, well, obviously if you just separate it, 999, twist that, you have 666, all that. But if you actually add it up, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2, you get 33. So you have another little clue there for you. But anyway.
Yes, and take into consideration that 9 is the number of completion in Kabbalism, and 42 also is the number of stop. So they are both numbers of endings.
There you go. Wow, how about that? That is really interesting. Hey, Freeman, I know what we're going to do. Let's round things up here for the first hour and then continue talking a little bit more in the second hour. I want to talk more about the whole cloning issue pretty much and the bringing back of pharaohs, as it seems like. A little bit more on the resemblance between Obama, what have you, and a little bit more on this whole birth certificate thing of where you see that going in a kind of geopolitical sense. You brought this up in the DVD a little bit, which is, I think, a really interesting and important perspective to talk a little bit more about. But give people your website addresses again and tell us how we can get a copy of your latest DVD, Freeman.
Absolutely. Just go to freemantv.com and you can order the DVD there or any of my DVDs. You can actually get all 5 of them for, I think it's $99.95 or something like that. So you can get all the DVDs at once because really you need them all. Or the freemanperspective.blogspot.com. There is no www in that URL, just the freemanperspective.blogspot.com. Or you can find all of my stuff, become my friend at MySpace /FreemanTV or YouTube /FreemanTV.
Brilliant. Freemantv.com. That's the main website. We'll have this linked up on redicecreations.com as well, so you can click through from our website easily. Stay with us, Freeman. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back for more for Red Eyes members. Hour 2 coming up with Freeman for Red Eyes members. We'll discuss Obama as a clone and the technology of the Egyptian pharaohs in mummification. We'll talk about New Age religion and a world government, Akhenaten style. Stargate Atlantis, Stargate technology, CERN, subterranean minerals like mica, gold, silver, quartz crystal, and ancient sites as a form of technology, and the continuation of building out the world grid, pretty much the Earth as a form of a computer or device, with sites like the Bicentennial Mall in Nashville. Freeman went there to meet with William Henry, and we talk about what Freeman thinks this is, a device that is intended to bind spirits. We talk about the Goetia Grimoires, Seal of Solomon, magicians and sorcerers, light, fiber optics, and the occult symbolism of Apple. And don't miss Buzz Aldrin's comment on the monolith, or what I think looks more like a pyramid that was found on Phobos, one of Mars' moons, and the joint Russian-Chinese mission there called Phobos Grunt, that possibly could bring ET disclosure, according to Freeman. This is all around the year 2010, the year we make contact. RedEyeCreations.com is the website. Go there to find out much more on how to join us in our members area for Hour 2. We have Freeman's lecture talk, filmed in London, available in our members area as well. We have the film Architects of Control available there, and you can stream or download the film. And don't forget the entire radio archive we have up there for you, going back to 2006 with tons of interviews. We have films and video interviews there as well. Sign up for 3 months, try it out. It's only 16 euro cents per day. So keep an eye on our radio archive for upcoming guests. A lot of good stuff is coming up. We'll be right back with more in Hour 2 right after this break.